Hello, today I will be explaining to you guys how to find the derivatives of a function, also known as differentiation. I have three problems here, and we'll start with problem number 1. Problem number 1 is y equals 2x to the third power plus 6x minus 2, and we're trying to find the first derivative. So how we do that is that we multiply the exponent times the whole number that's right here, and it's 6x 2. Why is it 6x2? Because we multiply this number with this one and we subtract 1 from the exponent. Now let's do plus 6x. It will convert itself to 6. Minus 2 is gone. So your answer for number 1, it should be 6x squared plus 6. That should be your answer from number 1. Now let's work on problem number 2. We have 2x plus 1 times x to the power of 3. Well, we have to distribute. And you know that when we're multiplying two variables, we add the exponents. So in this case, 2x plus 1 times x to the power of 3 will turn into 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3. Now we have to differentiate this equation, and it will be, remember, we multiply this times that minus 1 from the exponent, and we multiply this times, there's an invisible 1 here. So your equation for number 2 will be 8x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared. That's the answer for number 2. Now if they ask you to find the second derivative for number 2, you will simply do the same thing, multiplying these two numbers minus 1 from the exponent, and you should get 24x squared plus 6x as your second derivative. Now let's work on problem number 3. I have a fraction here. I have 4x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared divided by x. Now, when we're dividing exponents, there's an invisible 1 here. We're actually subtracting the exponent. We're subtracting these exponents. So I'll show you what I mean. So really 4x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared becomes 4x squared plus 2x. Now we can differentiate this problem number 3. So your first derivative of 4x squared plus 2x becomes 8x plus 2. Remember, we're multiplying these two numbers. There's an invisible 1 here, and we're subtracting 1 from the exponent. And that's how you solve for differentiations. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.